Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from COZ Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone, guys. I am glad you joined me. We're going to be doing a painting today. We're going to be doing a swipe. I am trying to master my swipe. I'm trying to master the control over the colors and where I place them and pay attention to how they interact with other things. I'm just kind of playing and I'm sharing it with you, and I'm glad you're here, guys. Let's talk about what we're doing today. We are working on a 12 by 36 inch Blick canvas. I love this size. You can hang it horizontal, you can hang it vertical. I love this size. Our colors today, let's talk about our base coat. Oh, let's talk about our pouring medium. I am out of GAC 800 and it's not supposed to be here till tomorrow, so I was staring at my shelf that has all different pouring mediums on it. And I thought about my friend Dan the Man. Dan the Man from Whimsical Science. Such a sweetheart. His pouring medium is Floetrol, Glue-all, which my bottle is way over there and I'm not going to go get it, and Minwax Poly Acrylic, water base. And I happen to have all these things. So I thought, hey, I love Dan the Man. Let's give it a go. So our pouring medium today is Floetrol, polyacrylic, and Glue-all. And I don't remember how I mixed it up. It was more Floetrol, and then some polyacrylic, and then some Glue-all. So I apologize. But about that much Floetrol, that much polyacrylic, that much Glue-all. And I mixed it up and the consistency was really nice for me. It was more fluid. I was nervous about the Glue-all thickening things up, but the polyacrylic helped to thin that Glue-all down. So hopefully we'll get a really pretty shine out of this. So our base coat colors today are going to be, we're doing a little yin-yang, yin-lang thing again. We have Artist Loft Flow Acrylics in the white. And our swiping colors, these three all have a bit of a silver undertone to them. So I noodled and noodled over what my yin would be to my yang, which is white, and I came up with this lovely shade. I had a little container with just a little bit of the golden iridescent silver in it. Let me go ahead and show you that consistency for my base coat. But that color is golden iridescent silver, and I added just a squirt of at a time of the golden iridescent, the golden Paynes gray. I cannot talk today, guys. I apologize. It's early. I need a second cup of coffee. Started off with this, mixed it up with my PM, added a drop or two of this, stirred it, added a drop or two more until I got the color that I was hoping for. So I'm excited about the yin and the yang. This yummy color right here, Treasure Gold Purple Topaz. It's delish. It really is. Let's take a closer look at it. Oh, so pretty. But do you see the silver undertones in there? I do. And this right here is just our golden fluid Paynes gray. This yummy color right here is Treasure Gold, and that's the Aqua Marine. Love these Treasure Gold paints. Just a little bit pricey. Buy them with your coupon. Look at that. Do you see the silver undertone in that as well? And then our swiping color. Our swiping color is Amsterdam Titanium White, and that is mixed with just Floetrol. 1 part paint, 4 parts Floetrol. Added a little bit of water because I needed to get it down to the consistency of these paints. So we're playing. Isn't that just a wonderful thing to do? I think so. I'm going to put some tunes on for you, put some tunes on, of course, for me. And we're going to get busy, guys. Let's get painting.
I know it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. I can't believe you love me. I just feel so lucky. Still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends. Let's being more than friends. Yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day. Yeah. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. I can't believe you love me. I just feel so lucky. Still can't believe you love me. I'm standing with you, 'cause